Ya, ini stok kita, ventilator 3-in-1, sudah turbin, ready 6 unit, pedal pediatrik, neonatus. Untuk pedal volume bisa mulai dari 2 mili, paling kecil 2 mili ya. Ini saya coba di 5. Oke, saya start.
Before the official use of the machine, it is necessary to install an oxygen sensor and check the air source pressure. Make sure the oxygen sensor is connected. Check whether the air source pressure meets the requirements. 0.4 MPa-0.6 MPa. Before pre-use test, we need to go into the settings and calibrate. Select settings to enter the calibration interface. Demo in adult mode. You can do oxygen sensor calibration first before selecting oxygen calibration. Let's take a look at the connection of the pipeline first. The oxygen sensor calibration connection method is very simple. Just unplug the suction port. Keep the suction port suspended. No connection. Click to calibrate. Make sure we have connected the oxygen source. Click calibration. The whole process is automated. There is a countdown in the lower right corner. Just wait for it to finish. %21% concentration calibration is nearing completion. The program will automatically enter 100% concentration calibration and start a new 2-minute countdown. You can feel the flow rate of the suction port. The whole process is automated. 100% concentration calibration is about to complete. Click to return. Below is the proportional valve calibration. The same needs to be connected to the oxygen gas source. Keep the suction port suspended, same as oxygen sensor calibration. Click to enter to calibrate. The entire calibration process is automated. Just wait for completion. You can feel the flow rate of the suction port during the process. Calibration complete. After the proportional valve calibration is completed, restore initial connection. Next, the flow rate is calibrated. This is adult mode. The lines and flow sensors are adult. We take the test fee. Install an adapter. This adapter and flow sensor, it's in one package. Connect in this way. Click to enter flow rate calibration. You can sense the velocity of the sensor from small to large. The whole process is self-contained. Wait for the prompt information on the screen. At this time, the screen prompts to turn the sensor direction. Follow the prompts to reverse the direction of the flow sensor. The machine will automatically detect to change direction and proceed. Flow rate calibration completed. After completion, don't forget to restore the connection direction of the flow sensor. PEP calibration. Click to enter the calibration interface. You can plug the port with your hands. Or connect it to a plug on the side of the machine. I put my hand up to demonstrate. Click to calibrate. Make sure there are no air leaks in the blocked port. Calibration completed.